Once you go, give her the beans. Yep. Not like that. Not like that.
It's so deep. Oh,
Oh, it's icy.
Woo! You need a ski pole?
Oh, it's icy! No! Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Huh. Dude, it's so good.
Look how much snow I piled up.
Oh, you have a monsoon. That was weird.
Are you stuck?
Problem here.
Oh,
It's not going back, and she's missing.
is it?
She was like gripping out, pop, 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 motion over the bars, and I tried to start going again, and then she started missing. I was like, all right, I shut it off. And I was like,
Arctic at things.
man, power days are just too much for her.
That's a lot of wide open throttle.
Yeah.
Huh.
Dang.
Maybe it froze up in there.
It could have. There is a lot of Oregon snow right there. Oh.
Well, we could let the pipe cool down a little bit,
Yeah.
and we can pop it off and see if we can get back in. I hit the spring tool.
Perfect. Nice of Arctic make this nice little platform there when you have to work on it.
Because they know you're gonna be working on it.
Oh yeah.
Dude, those spring pullers are sick.
Yeah. Well, I got mine for free. From buying a pipe.
So you gotta kind of like pull it out and then kind of, yeah, and then just huck it in the snow somewhere. Sounds like about how it was.
Yeah, it's about a. It's pink.
Yeah, I put a kink in it to keep it from being too like floppy in there.
Huh. Okay.
So it's been like that. You can pry on it some. Pry it kind of that way, the line going in.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Oh, she's right in line. Huh. Yeah, I found a bolt.
Huh, that's neat.
I think it came out of the, yeah, oh.
Oh, it's crooked in there.
Yeah, it
Ooh.
is.
That's what it is. Stupid things are always rattling out.
It is.
That's here, watch out.
It's not moving though.
No. Yeah. Okay. That's your misfire right there.
That's the misfire?
Yeah. Why did it rattle out like that? How many bolts are left in it?
Oh, it's got that one corner. There's 1, 2, 3. 3.
There's 3 in it?
How many?
I don't remember. Well, so
Okay, yeah, I'm not getting that off.
No, it's not coming off. So we friction welded the stator bolt somehow to the recoil. Griffin.
Hey, I wasn't the last one to work on this.
Not really sure how it backed itself out. That's new, but anyhow. All right, well, let's put tools away and let's put all the bolts in the pop.
Apparently you didn't have enough ugga-duggas on her.
Apparently not. I don't know, I still almost feel like going back that way would be quicker than that way.
You are not getting me that uphill.
Take the belt off.
Oh yeah, I'm taking that off. But no, dude, it's just gonna be like.
You're not gonna have any brakes. No, yes you do.
The brakes are right there on your
Yeah.
shaft. No, not that, but my thing is getting going. Like, dude, you know how bad it was pulling the do back after.
No, where are you gonna stick it? We gotta stick this pipe
Right
back
in there,
in.
I think it's forking. It's not turning.
It's not going nowhere.
Oh, okay.
Well, you better put the pipe back on it.
Yeah, my head's getting cold.
Oh.
Well, Dad's not ripping this one.
Now, that's a new one. I haven't seen that happen before.
Yeah, I usually find those.
I mean, I literally broken everything else on that sled. It's not that way yet.
You just had to have me do it.
Is the goal of the sled every time it goes out that
It's gonna show you a new way of how it can be broken.
Something's gonna break? Up that hill, Griffin. It's really thick in there. I'm thinking we'll just go this way.
Right, let's see where we're going.
I don't know, we're gonna tip over here.
Now we're good. Like nothing of a hill.
No, but it's so thick.
And you're saying the other woods isn't thicker?
Yeah, it's more open.
No, it's thicker. Well, okay. See right there? I think we get right there and we just go like...
Let me go look at the other woods. Alright, hang on.
I didn't know which way you were gonna go!
I got my foot stuck. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Ah! Oh, we really piled it this time.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, but my forehead lock holder.
Yeah, I'm saying through here. This snow is so ridiculous. Let me go pack it down some.
Yeah.
trail.
You gotta turn that way?
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, it's just like right up and it's a trail.
Yeah, it's so steep though.
I know.
Like it's gonna be a...
She's gonna be singing.
Yeah, we'll give it some time to set up though.
Yeah.
Is that your track?
That's yours.
That's mine. Oh,
I
yeah.
went this way. I went down the trail.
Yeah, I know there's much of a trail here. No, nothing will die.
No, don't do that.
Alright. Let's strike by.
Where we're going. I'm still going that way. Whoa.
You're supposed to give more once we dip.
I didn't know we were dipping.
You pulled my glove off. Oh, it's so cold.
My boot's stuck. Why not? Shenanigans is going on here. I can't get up.
Need a hand? Yeah, give me your hand.
Oh, no. No, my boot's stuck.
I was gonna pull you out.
I don't know. Oh, there we go. Thank you.
Yeah. Wow. We were doing good, and we weren't doing so good. It was gnarly though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yours is good. Hey, we can.
Why do you keep getting stuck?
Bro, this is so you can tow me out. Since you had a grenade's yours. Because there's 30,000 feet of snow in here, and then we're doing 2 up.
Alright, we got it this time. Believe in you.
What are we doing?
Gnarly carbs.
Oh, we were not on the same rhythm there. How's the seating back there? Hey, let's turn around.
I can't see anything.
Hey, you took me off.
I was trying to let go.
Yeah, well, you let go of the bars, then you took me with you. Let me just get out of your way here.
Yeah, I think I'll have you tug her back, or
I don't think we're
if you want to do this, I'll tug it back. Alright, here, you do this. You just gotta, pull it on the side and really try and grease it like this. And
What do you think? You think it's a big deal?
Yeah, let's slow you down. Alright. Why is it stuck?
I don't know, it's very... That's what was close it.
God dang.
Want to tow it backwards with the SKS?
Whoop! Holy! I think I pulled it back before, but...
Yeah, but look at the ski.
Is it? Oh.
I don't have anything to stick it into to loosen.
So what? How'd you get it off before?
Like that?
Like this?
Well, I would back this out and it would open it. But it's just sliding because now we have so much tension on this thing. I feel like we could almost, yeah, you just muscle it over there. Let's just leave it and see how far we can get.
I'm gonna say not very far.
No?
No. Yep. Yeah, let me grab it. I think you guys remember how to do this.
Here's our winter storm.
Yeah, it's my storm warning. Before I can't talk right now.
Blip, 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 blip.
My storm warning alert.
Yeah. Now it's just spinning.
Yeah, we're kind of.
I'm in drink right now.
Oh, got it.
Oh. That's because I helped there.
Yep. That made you the biggest difference ever. Well,
Just rip it out of there.
this is exactly where we're going. I'm trying. It's just be stuck
Oh.
in the clutch because it decided it wanted to clamp down on it.
Oh. Do you want me to help grab it too?
Yeah. Yeah, pull it. Yeah. There we go. Heidi.
I'll throw in a bit of parts we got in here.
Just come by and go, I need a kitty cat part. Where's the kennel?
How far are you guys snowmobile? About 0.2 miles. What happened? Cat things.
Cat.
What? Oh. And you get a little yank 'em.
Yeah. He's a little frozen.
Yeah, it's been out right around there for a while.
Yeah. It's been ready for this moment. I am icing up.
I know. We can at least get like on that side of the road.
Yeah. But once we get to the top, it's fine. Everything's packed in hard as a rock.
Yeah.
But just getting out of this hole. Like whose idea was to go in the hole? So luckily when my the dew broke, she was on top of the hill.
Yeah.
That would have sucked if she was in the hole. Yeah, you think? Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right. All right, Nadine.
All right.
Go give her the beans.
I'll try to. You ready?
Yep. Not like that.
Sorry.
Once you go, give her the beans.
I'll try to. You ready?
Yep. Not like that. Oh!
Sorry.
You almost broke the fork and bumper.
Really?
You almost broke the fork and bumper.
Really?
Dude, you yanked on it so hard. Oh.
I was just needing to get it out of this hole.
You're supposed to go easy. I was talking about up there.
Oh. Hey, you were specific.
I thought it made enough sense, but
I figured I needed to give her a pretty good tug to get out of here.
But you gotta ease into it. If you just pin it, you're not going nowhere. Alright. Oh.
Alright, you want me to go forward now?
You're not going down the hole. Go.
Oh. Fill this back in? actually made it a ways. I know you were doing a lot of work.
Oh, I ran with it the whole way.
I know, I saw you back there. Oh, she was. Sorry, I'm probably coating you back there.
Oh, not at all.
It's like I'm gonna go die. Alright, we got